Step 1 into making a fishtail braid. Firstly, you choose your colours of bands. You can have up to 3 colours if you just want to keep one colour, or just have 2 colours, or have 3 whole colours, you can do that. Your first step is to take your loom, a fork, or your 2 fingers to start. You get one of your bands, any colour, just depends what colour order you want, or if it's one, just keep it the same all the way through. And you get your 2 fingers, your 2 pins in your loom, or your back-to-back forks that are all sellotaped or banded together. Then, get your first band and twist it into a figure of 8 on your fingers, your loom, or your fork. And I'll just show you how to do that now. So, on your loom, which mine's broke, if you just hold on a minute. Sorry for that, everybody. So, my loom unfortunately snapped. So, I'm in a bit of a pickle, but it's 4 pins. That's enough to show you how you start. You grab your band. So, I've got a pink band here. And my 4 pins. What you do is you put it on a figure of 8 on your loom. Okay, figure of 8, pretty simple. Okay, so that's that part done. For a fork, you put it on a figure of 8 like this. Sorry, excuse the design underneath of this one. But on a fork, you can just see that figure of 8 there, this bit. So you put it on like that, like this bit here. Put it on like a figure of 8 like that. And then for your fingers, just choose another colour. You put it on a figure of 8 like this. Just depends whatever way you think you should do it. Figure of 8. Okay? And your second step is to get your next 2 bands and place them on top of the figure of 8 you just made. So, place 2 on top of the figure of 8 you just made. They're not into figure of 8s, they're not twisted, just plain on like that. So I'll show you here. It would just be plain on like that. Under your figure of 8, just plain. This one here, just plain. So you put 2 bands on top. Then you would bring the bottom of the figure of 8 you made. So the bottom band on your loom, your 2 fingers, or your fork, you'd bring it up and over the top of the pin, fork, or finger on both sides. So you'd only have 2 bands left in your finger. Then you just keep adding 1 band that's not twisted, that's just put on plainly like this. Just put on plainly like this. And then you'd keep bringing the bottom band on each pin, each fork, or each finger up and over. Now you just keep repeating this process until you have made your bracelet long enough for your wrist. Then you will attach an S-clip of any colour, can just be plain, onto your bracelet, and that will be you finished.